Hello my friends, if you open an Office suite in a Linux distribution you will hardly find any Microsoft fonts like Times New Roman. This is because they are proprietary and so they are not included in most Linux distributions. Today I show you how you can get them very easily. Before we start, you have to check out your sources list. Be sure that the contrib and non-free packages are activated because you need some proprietary stuff. Otherwise, the command will not work. If you want to know how to edit your sources list, please check out my quick tip video about this topic. So now it's time for the command. It's sudo apt install ttf mscore fonts installer. Yeah? Yes? And now the installation has begun. You have to wait a little bit. Depending on your internet connection, it needs a little time. You see we have progress here, 88% at the moment. And now it will be finished very soon. So now we are ready, all done, no errors, all phones downloaded and installed. We can now start LibreOffice and check out if it worked. So here we go. This is LibreOffice and you can see here is Arial Black. These are Microsoft fonts. So hope I could help. Bye bye.